Friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. If you are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. Let's go to the topic. In this video, I am going to discuss about new software, that is SPSS. Up to now, in my YouTube channel, I will discuss about Excel, MS Office Excel, and R Studio or R Console. This is also one of the statistical software. It is highly used in biostatistics and life sciences like this. In this video, I will give you quick overview about SPSS by using the presentation. From the next video onwards, I will explain through SPSS software. Now, in our market, SPSS 26 also available. Version 26, 25. Now trending version is 26. SPSS under IBM. We all know that IBM SPSS work under IBM. Okay, this subject used in MBA, MCOM, and statistics students and biostatistics students. Lot of uses just like SAS software. Now we can see quick overview on what is the interface of that SPSS software. Now let's see what is the introduction about SPSS. Means SPSS is not open source, means we need to buy license. If you need free trial, I think 30 days free trial available from my website. Otherwise you can download cracked versions from different sites. You can get license also. I think lot of 10 years work license also from cracked versions. You can install it. I will do one video how to install a cracked version, then all things also. Generally SPSS is not open source. We need to buy license also, just like SAS. Now we can see what is the introduction about SPSS. Originally, it is an acronym of statistical package for the social sciences. SPSS means statistical package for the social sciences, but now it stands for statistical product and service solutions. Means lot of users are there by using SPSS. Not only statistics students, MCOM, MBA, biostatistics, all are using nowadays SPSS because easy interface is easy and getting output all things also easy. Now we can see all things also. One of the most popular statistical package which can perform highly complex data manipulations and analysis with simple instructions. Yeah, this is very simple compared to the R Studio also. We can see all things also. But R is open source, it is not open source. This is the interface of this is not interface of R Studio. When you sorry SPSS, when you open SPSS, it will show like it. Welcome to IBM SPSS statistics. See here, this is trademark is IBM. This is the before. Here you get recent files, here new files. If you need sample data also, you can open sample data sets also. This is the here you I installed cracker version, so here it is showing 560 5609 days you have left trial balance, all things trial days. If you install from mine website, you can get I think 30 days or 15 days free trial only from mine website. After you can need to buy the license. Okay, now we can see what is the when this is after. This is one tab, this is also one tab. See, after opening SPSS, the default window shows will have the data editor. This is the data view, this is the variable view. It shows like this. Okay, mainly data view and variable view. Okay. Now we can see it will be like this. In the data view, what will we have here? See, here column variables are there. Here row cases are, these all are the row cases. These all are the column variables. This is the data view. You can enter here integer or float values based on your data set. Okay, now we can see what is the variable. Here when you can press this, you can get the variable tab. In the variable tab, you have here first you have type of variable name, and second you have numeric or string or different based on that characteristics, all things. Here you can describe the variable also. What is the label of describe? For example, you need age or married or unmarried like this. Otherwise you can different variables you can use also. See, this is the some rules for variables. See, type of the variable name under the name column age. Note, variable names can be 64 bytes long, and their first character must be a letter or one of the character, that is special characters are these are. Okay, how many types of variables are available means numerical or string or etc. Labels, these all are the labels. Okay, generally we know that what is the variable means. Variable is what? The entity which varies during the execution of program, means when you enter the here, it will be going to the execution of the program. Okay, this is the variable tab. Now we can see this is when you enter data and variable all things, this is the your final data set. See, this is finished one type of variables, this all things also here. Here that in the data view you are getting all values also. Okay, this is how you can get lot of built-in data sets also there, you can discuss it in SPSS also. This is just introduction. If you need to import dataset from Excel or RStudio or JMP like SAS, this is the command. Select file, then open, then go to the data, then choose Excel file. If you need Excel file, then you can choose the Excel type file. Select the file you want to import. This is the introduction. See, when you import the dataset from Excel or SAS, here all things are there. If you need to import from Excel, you can press on Excel. If you need to import from SAS you can, or otherwise RStudio, based on your conditions. Okay, now we can see how to do what mind. Here we can see what is the brief introduction about data view. Now we can see detailed view of data view. Okay, data, how we can edit data in data tab. Spreadsheets like system for defining the entering, editing and displaying data. Extension of the here saved files for SPSS is .sav. Okay, now we can see this is my variable view. Okay, here I have lot of variables a, b, oid, ag, these all are my variables. Here type is numeric, all are integers. Width is this much width, this much decimals, these are my labels. Okay, understand, see, observe, this is my variable. When you press on variable view, these all things you can find. This is, I will take this one example from built-in data set. Okay, this is these all are the variable descriptions. When you press this, see, here we are going to what is the analyze or direct marketing, all things also. This is we are going to action means what you need, what you do analysis means. If you need descriptive statistics or plots like this, when you need ANOVA or regression, this is all are the action buttons. This is okay. Now we can see what about data editor. Before this we can see what is variable view. See, this is our one variable, this is second variable, these all are the variables, these all are the data set data. Okay, when you press on data view, here see, this is going to the action button. Okay, what you need you can take this is the how you are viewing data view. Finally you got this. I think this I already explained this slide. Okay, this is how you can see variable view, how you can see data view like this. This is the output view. Okay, finally how you get after do analysis on any statistical techniques, then how you get values. See, this is the output of the given data set. Here I did data set 1 from, this is my path of my data set. Okay, when I did here I got mean, I did on descriptive statistics, mean, median, standard deviation, range, minimum, maximum, all things also. See, this is the navigation buttons, what you need you can check on this. This is the output window, this is total output window. This is drop window. If you need to transform output from Excel or RStudio or SAS or JMP, you can press on this. Okay, this is the action button. Now we can see how export your results to here. See, when you going to file, just press on export, then you can select some options will become, then you can select it. This is the syntax editor, you can edit syntax also without easily. See, this is the navigation window, we already seen this. This is the syntax window, you can type just, if you need chi-square, then you can stay different syntax there, you can refer books for syntax. Okay, this is the drop menu, analyze what you need to analyze, all things also. This is the action button, we know this. Okay, there is most important term, that is help command. In SPSS or RStudio or JMP, some of the extra tools provide, that is help section. When you press on help section, you can get tutorials, data sets with examples also. See, this is the use of help section. Okay, these all things are there in help section. You can, if you press on topics, you get all topics. If you press on tutorials, you can get some PDFs also. Here how we can difference between, what is the difference between R and SPSS also, you can see these all things about help section. Okay, this is the customization of when you go into the options, you can get some more options. These all are the options, how you can plot tables, file locations, how you can, this is all of the your views. Okay, from the next video onwards, I will directly show you how to do analysis in SPSS video. This is just introduction about SPSS by you taking some PPT. I also download from Google, I think. Okay, if you have any queries related to the basics or what is the tabs, all things also, you can just comment me, I will tell you. From the next video onwards, I will start with the descriptive statistic, with the data manipulation, all things also. Serial, in serial, all viewers will come. Thank you for watching.